guys. And I sound hella tired too. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago, but I'm still in the process of waking up. So anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a get ready with me powwow edition, just because it's convenient, because the college that I go to, the community college that I go to, is having their powwow today, and I'm going to support because it's my college. But I thought it would be nice just to like film it anyways, since I'm getting ready for it, so might as well record it into a video, you know? My hair is like extra freaking bedhead like though, so bear with me as I fix that. So I've kind of gotten like lazy with my hair, and I no longer put it in French braids, and it also just looks better with my regalia like that. So I just split my hair down the middle now. I look like a cave woman or something. Look at my hair. It's just like all poofy. It looks like a mane. What I do next is I take my hair gel, if I can find it. I swear I thought I just saw it. And I take like this much. Probably gonna need more, but that's just to start me off. And I just put it up here because we need to make sure that these flyaways stay down, because my baby hairs are real good at just annoying me, if you know what I mean. I got like one layer in my hair because when I got my perm they said that it would stay in longer if I got a perm, so it wouldn't like weigh down my curls as much as just like not having a perm would. So rip to that, rip to my hair. There's gonna be some parts that freaking stick out. Maybe I can try putting some gel in it. Let me just try that. In the morning I feel like my freaking voice sounds like way deeper than it usually does, but it's whatever. Well, that seemed to work for the most part. We just have that piece right there. On to the other side. Just to make sure that my little baby hairs don't come up, I take like about this much of hair gel, rub it in between my fingers, and then I just go over like this to try and make sure that my baby hairs won't come up, because I hate when that happens. I already moisturized my face and everything when I woke up because I used my witch hazel, and then for like toning my face and like helping with acne, and then I use this for my moisturizer. So today I feel like going all out just cause. So let's get started with eyebrows as always, and I think I'm gonna do that off camera just because I always do my eyebrows in like every video, I feel like, so you can just see it there. Okay, so now I have my eyebrows did. So let's get started with my foundation. So I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Soft Honey in the number 315. And I'm just going to go all over my face. my foundation done. So now we're gonna go in with contour. So I'm gonna use this for contour, and I'm pretty sure it was part of like a duo stick thing. So there was contour and then there was like a highlight, but I lost the highlight thing, or I think I threw it out because I used it all. I think that was it. Now let's go contour my nose. My Josh. That's how you say it, no Ojibwe. I'm gonna get in closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna go back in with Revlon Color Stay Under Eye Concealer and just use it for this middle part right here. Boy, and I totally forgot about this little dude right here. I still haven't found my fan brush. I was missing it in my last video. I think I'm just gonna have to buy a new one in town. But we're gonna go in with blush real quick. And then we're gonna just tap this off, and we're gonna use this one right here. My fave one is almost out, and then I'm gonna toss this out because that's the only reason why I keep this is because of that highlight right there. Now we're going to use this little brush and we're going to go in and highlight the smaller places. So I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to highlight my nose. And then I'm going to highlight under my brow. I kind of want to go with my Urban Decay liquid lipstick just because it's sparkly and I'm kind of feeling sparkly today. And you can kind of tell that it is sparkly. And then now I think I want to do kind of like a brown eyeshadow. So let's go in with that. We're going to go in with a base right here. And this is the Beauty Box. Then we're going to go in with my tinier brush. Let's just go in with this darker color right here.
Northern Creed, first off.
Next we're gonna go in with this gold color right here, or copper. this is mascara. We're using Molly. I don't remember where I set them, so we're going to have to use my other Ardell lashes. And I just used the Duo glue. We're almost done. So next I go in with the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is what I do for like my eye design, and I go like this. Okay, that's as even that's as even as they're gonna get. I'm not gonna mess with them anymore. I'm gonna go get my hair pieces because I like doing that. That means that I don't have to worry about it when I get to the powwow. All I have to worry about is getting like my regalia on and stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in my earrings. This is what they look like. Like a thread on it. Oops. I should probably back up so you guys can see, right? This is the end of my video now that I have my hair pieces in and earrings and headband, makeup all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and have a good weekend. Thank you guys for watching.